Man gang, welcome back to another video, man. Today is currently Friday morning. It's early in the morning. It's 8:44. I think today is the opening day for the supercar, so y'all already know what I got going on, man. I'm finna head out. Oh shit, what's going on with my camera? Hold up. My bad, bitch. Yo, what the fuck? My bad, but anyway, finna head out and meet my boy Shaq with the other Hellcat, and then we cruising out to somewhere, I think. Cruising out somewhere to meet up with the supercars, and then we're going to we're going to have like a nice cruise to Letchworth. So this should be a cool little event. Supposed to be meeting up at somebody's new house, so should be a nice little event, man. Hopefully it goes well. But I'm gonna see y'all in a minute because I still gotta get a little car wash. It been raining all week, so I gotta wash my car up a little bit just to get it. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to be perfect, but we wanted to shine a little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I'm gonna let y'all know how this go. Early downshift for y'all. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. We can turn, baby. Don't get it twisted. We can turn, baby. They talking about Shaq? Who can't turn? So we just making it right now. Whoo! Y'all see the lineup, man. Lineup is crazy. Jesus. Woo! That's Chucky? Nah, that's not Chuck, is it? I don't think so. That M5 is crazy. Alright, well. See this shit. Oh my god. I can't believe this shit, bro. Like, y'all gotta understand, like, when you get into like the Hellcat and the cars with the higher power and stuff, like, I still sometimes just don't believe. What's up, bro? How you doing? I thought you sold the car.
No, Anthony sold it.
Anthony sold his car. Okay, I was about to say, I forgot who was selling it.
I just get mine from the speed shop. Berries.
Oh, what you got done to it?
Huh?
What you got done to it?
I did berries.
Bearings, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. I got, like I was saying anyway, y'all gotta understand, man, when you get into like, hold on, I can't hear because of Shaq loud ass car. When you get into these type of cars, bro, you gotta understand, like, the people you're around, bro, like the type of stuff you're around is just crazy to me. Like, y'all see these cars we're around, bro, like this is crazy, bro. I really don't even know what else to say, but it should be crazy. Nothing like a fucking, V12 Lamborghini, bro. Oh my God, that fucking Lamborghini, bro. Oh, I gotta get one, bro. I gotta get one. There's nothing like it, bro. Let me replay that for y'all one good time. Let me replay that for y'all. Nothing like a Lamborghini, bro. Oh my God. I never thought a fucking car would make me lose my mind, bro. That car sounds crazy. Yeah, so everybody's lined up right now. Going crazy. What a crazy fucking lineup of cars, bro. This is insane. So I think we good now. Everybody, we was waiting for a car, I guess. Waiting for one car. But I think we straight now. Boy, what I tell y'all, the event last year was fire. This is crazy. This for sure is crazy. Oh my God. The street, bro.